Hi, this is from Source University. This is job opening for the Technology Senior Microsoft SQL Server DBA for the company SEI. The location is Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, India. They are looking for independently analyze, solve, and fix the issue in a real time, provide and problem resolution to end-to-end ability. And the work from home is not there. You're supposed to go to the office, and they are looking for 8+ years of SQL Server DBA. And you should have worked on SQL Server 2012, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2019 as well. Moving on to the second technology. The second technology is SQL DBA Administrator. The company name is Teamware Solution, a division of Quantum Leaps Consulting Private Limited. The location is Bangalore. The must-have experience is SQL DBA, ad, networking, log shipping, mirroring, always on, replication, Azure HADR. Coordinating with the product group and good at technical deliveries is need, and build automated self-help solution and create trainings. The third technology is SQL DBA support. The company name is Teamware Solution, a division Quantum Leap Solution Consulting Private Limited. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Hiring for MS SQL DBA engineer. Experience needed is 3+ years. The location is Hyderabad, Bangalore. Shift timings is North American shift. The notice period must be immediate joining. The skills must be log shaping, mirroring, always on, replication, high availability, performance tuning. You're supposed to share your resumes to this email ID. The fourth technology is MySQL DBA. The company name is NuStar Technology. The location is Hyderabad. Experience need is 3.5. The job description is 4+ years experience in MS SQL DBA administration and strong knowledge of MS SQL DB performance optimization, monitoring, replication, user management, and backup restoring mechanisms. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to our Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.